Sawadee Hi everyone. Today we gonna come cooking the red pork. So simple ingredient. Only 2 ingredients I need today. The red pork marinade and the pork. This one used for 1.5 kg and the pork 1.5 kg or less, a little bit like 1.2. That's okay. And I need the preheat oven to 180 degrees. The cooking time 25 minutes, and that's it. So simple. You make sure you put a towel and put a cutting board in, because the cutting board, when you cut the meat, they move a little bit. You just need to make sure they're stable. You open your meat up. And you're watching your meat. Okay, you just need to watch your pork. And a little bit take the water out. And when you cut the pork, you make sure you not cut on the long grain. You cut opposite grain and make your pork tender. Okay. If you're not sure which way, you cut the pork and have a look a little bit. You cut on the end, have a look. Okay. You can see some of the long grain go this way. You can see, but you have to cut, of course. Okay. That's what you gotta do. Cut again if you're not sure, have a look. Okay, the grain go long way this way, and you have to cut, of course. Mean you have to cut this way. But some people, they don't like it. They like to long grain. That's okay too. Whatever side you cut, they gotta be tasty. You don't need a big chunk. You need maybe 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters, up to you. This pork will feed your whole family, because the pork, when you eat with the rice, you eat with a stir fry, and easy for you and your kid. Okay. And that's it, you cut your pork. And now you grab your mixing bowl. Okay. And you put your pork in. Maybe you can put couple first and sprinkle your red pork. Do another one. Sprinkle a little bit. Okay, now you put the whole thing in. One more, and you just need a mixing. Because you already washing your pork, you don't need to add any water or anything. Or the mixing, they have enough moist to absorb all the marinade. That's it. Okay, now you get the tray. I just put the tin foil, make sure all the sauce and not on the tray. I don't have to spend heaps of time cleaning. When you marinate the red pork for 20 minutes, or if you don't have time to marinate, you can just chuck it in. But when you have leftover juice on the end, you just need to put the juice on top before you serve. 5 minutes before, just to make sure all the juice absorb in after you take it out from the oven. Okay, but when you do, you have to separate. You not want to put the pork close like that. You want to separate the pork out. See, sometimes, because if you're not marinate long enough, we still got some of the stuff. You can use this stuff on the end, put on the pork. Take the pork out, put on the pork. 5 minutes before you serve. Chuck back in the oven and they will coming out very nice. Okay, now you chuck in the oven. You want 20 minutes. That's it. So simple this one. Today we do tang. Really fast. Oopsie. Check all the seed. My 2 chili, little bit cucumber. Yep, good enough. Pour the tomato. We do the sauce first, this one. One teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of tamarind sauce. Mix it.
Hello, Thailand, and it smiles so bright. Golden temples glow in the sunlight. Island breezes, turquoise seas. Your beauty calls, it's all I need. Hello, Thailand, oh so divine. Culture and spirit, and love they shine. Hello, Thailand, land of delight, where dreams are weekend under the night, 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 where dreams are weekend under the night. Hello, Thailand, land of smiles so bright. Golden temples glow in the sunlight. Island breezes, turquoise seas. Your beauty calls, it's all I need. Hello, Thailand, oh so divine. Your culture and spirit and the fish shine. Hello, Thailand, land of delight, where dreams are weekend under the night, 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 where dreams are weekend under
Here you are rice หมูแดง and ตำแตง
Hello Thailand, land that smiles so bright. Golden temples glow in the sunlight. Island breezes, turquoise seas. Your beauty calls, it's all I need. Hello Thailand, oh so divine. Your culture and spirit and the shine. Hello Thailand, land of delight, where dreams are weekend under the night, 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 where dreams are